J.Ai app AI roleplay chat. So here's the app AI character friend app. Discover AI character from around the globe and speak with them to discover their capabilities. From your morning cup of tea to brushing your teeth at night, AI character has the conversations to make your day. Whether you're a chatterbox, a tech fanatic, or simply looking for a laugh, there is something for everyone. Enjoy a never-ending stream of AIs you love to chat with. Chat with ultra-realistic AI personalities. Enjoy unlimited free messaging. Discover millions of user-created characters. So real-time AI character interaction for immersive experiences, effortless creation of unique characters, power of AI, easy and efficient. And yeah, let's just install it. I haven't seen this app yet in the really top charts. So yeah, let's just check it out. And then you can see in here, so you can see Pro Access. This is how it looks like. You can search by different categories. Then you can see different chats. You can select model, Grok 3, DeepSeek, Char AI Pro, GPT 4.1, Gemini, Llama Pro. And then you can also create your account. And then you can also share an app, but that's not an invite code. That's just a link to the app. And that's just what you have, how you can see. There are free messages per day, 30 messages for free, and then yearly there is $70 per year. And then unfortunately there is some kind of ads. So there are some really annoying ads. So it's just what you have. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. You can then just go in here and start chatting. And then you can also and then you have all of the details in here. So that's just how it looks like. What is the use? So 4.2 in here, pretty good, but once more extremely impressed, difficult to use. There are some limits and so on. So that's just what you have.